Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains the Kia Forte overheating engine issue and potential causes. An overheating engine warning or temperature gauge spike indicates the cooling system is not maintaining normal operating temperature. Verified causes include low coolant level due to leaks in hoses, the radiator, or the water pump, which can reduce the cooling system's ability to regulate heat. A malfunctioning thermostat that fails to open may restrict coolant flow and lead to rapid overheating. Faulty radiator fans that do not engage properly are also documented to contribute to overheating in stop-and-go traffic or at idle. Coolant leaks from a compromised radiator, hose, or pump are common and may indicate worn components requiring inspection. Potential contributing factors could include a clogged radiator restricting heat dissipation or air pockets in the cooling system, disrupting coolant circulation. Other possibilities include a failing water pump unable to circulate coolant effectively and a faulty temperature sensor that may provide inaccurate readings. This video explains commonly documented causes and patterns. Some cases can vary by model year, mileage, or prior repairs, so this information may not apply to every vehicle. A certified mechanic or dealership should be consulted for vehicle-specific diagnosis. General guidance involves checking and topping up coolant to the recommended level, inspecting for leaks, and testing the thermostat and radiator fan operation. Flushing a clogged radiator and ensuring coolant hoses and the water pump are in good condition can help improve cooling performance. Owner feedback and verified reports suggest that overheating issues often arise from low coolant or thermostat problems, with variations by model year and driving conditions. It is crucial to address overheating promptly to prevent potential engine damage, such as warped heads or blown head gaskets, which can occur if the engine runs too hot for extended periods. If you do not understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. If you have any copyright concerns or inquiries, refer to description for email.